Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to quickly find shared files from a specific chat on Discord, right on your PC using the latest update. If you've ever struggled to track down that one document, picture, or clip someone sent, this method is going to make things much easier. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you have it open, head over to the chat where the files you're looking for were shared. This can be either a direct message with a friend or inside a server channel. Now pay attention to the top right corner of your screen. That's where the search bar is located. This search bar is incredibly powerful, and we'll use it to narrow down and find exactly what you need. Click on the search bar, and here's the key part. Type the word "from" followed directly by the name of the user who shared the file. This tells Discord to only look for messages from that specific person. Right after this, you'll want to type "has file." What this does is filter the search so that only results containing a file show up. For example, if you knew your friend Alex sent the file, you would search from "Alex has file." Discord will then instantly show you a list of all the files Alex has shared in that chat. You won't have to scroll endlessly or guess when it was sent. From there, all that's left is to browse the results and find the media you were looking for. Simply click on it to view, download, or save it as needed. That's it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily track down shared files in any Discord chat. No more wasting time scrolling through months of messages. This new update makes the process fast, clear, and efficient, so you'll always be able to find what you need right when you need it. If this guide helped you, make sure to try it out next time you're looking for an old file. It's a game changer for keeping your conversations organized and easy to navigate.